What's going on, y'all? This is your man D Toll, and I'm here at the airport about to make my way to the Stellar Awards. I just wanted to take this time tonight just to tell everyone that, first of all, thank you for all of your support, all of your help in getting us, Freedom Radio, to the 2013 Stellar Awards. We do not take this lightly, and we are going to represent you, the voting audience. Keep posted, stay posted to my Facebook and my Twitter, as well as the social cam. I'm going to keep you posted with everything that's going on, starting tomorrow with the Urban Soul Cafe events. There's a celebrity basketball game. There's so much that's going to be going on, but I'm going to keep you posted. If you are on Twitter, follow me on Twitter at DTollFree, at DTOLEFREE, or you can follow the Freedom page, Freedom FREEDEM_music. Keep it posted, keep it locked. We'll keep you posted. I'm about to get up out of here, heading to Nashville to the Stellar Awards.